Hello everyone! In the sky, everything can change in a matter of seconds. These moments reveal how an ordinary flight turned into a nightmare. The cameras were rolling and no one could believe what happened. These real-life events show just how fragile aviation can be. So sit back and don't blink, because what you're about to see will leave you stunned.
Yeah, I think I'm crazy. Look at that shit.
Rain streaks off the wings as this plane makes a dramatic approach in stormy weather, nature and technology in perfect tension. Suddenly, a bird appears mid-flight, heading straight for the cockpit. With razor-sharp reflexes, the pilot veers away in the nick of time. After landing, ADHL cargo plane veers off the runway, unable to stop in time. The sheer weight and momentum prove hard to control. A C-17 Globemaster weaves between buildings, hugging the river below. This military giant moves like a dancer through the cityscape. Shortly after takeoff, an Antonov Antu clips a tree and crashes. A routine flight turns tragic in the blink of an eye. An acrobatic stunt plane flies through a ring of smoke created by a ground explosion. It's like threading a needle with a jet engine.
Oh my god.
A wounded cow is airlifted over the Swiss Alps, suspended mid-air. It's an unusual yet heroic rescue mission.
Such a nice guy.
Hello, Justin. He just checked in yesterday.
There he is right there.
Like he
A Danish F-16 shadows a Russian Tu-95 bomber. It's a tense dance of diplomacy and deterrence at high altitude. A Mi-8 helicopter spirals out of control and slams into the ground. It's a terrifying crash, but a stark reminder of the risks pilots face.
No les pasó nada, no les pasó nada.
At the infamous Courchevel Altiport, a small plane slams into a mound of snow at the end of the runway. The aircraft disappears into a cloud of white. In icy Siberia, a Boeing 757 lands and sends snow flying like a blizzard. It's a cinematic moment of winter aviation power.
Ya, ya. Ay, hijo de puta.
Another Antonov anti-skids off the runway after a gear collapse. It narrowly avoids crashing into airport vehicles, disaster averted by meters. Panic sets in mid-flight as a passenger accidentally opens the cabin door. The fierce wind fights back, making it nearly impossible to close. A Mi-8 helicopter scoops up water from a lake, preparing to battle a wildfire. Precision, speed, and urgency all in one mission. A Lockheed SP-H comes in for landing, but disaster strikes, the landing gear collapses, dragging the plane across the runway in a shower of sparks. Only the pilot and a sleeping woman are on board until the pilot fakes a nosedive. Her scream turns to fury as she wakes and realizes the prank. A glider pilot makes a perfect emergency landing in a farm field. No engine, no panic, just skill and calm execution. A commercial airliner climbs steeply into the sky as crowds watch from below. It's a powerful symbol of human flight and engineering. A Beriev B-200 skims the lake, scooping up water before lifting off to fight wildfires. Moments later, it drops the load in a massive cascade. To meet 24 helicopters fly side by side, then unleash a salvo of rockets into the sky. The display is both beautiful and deadly. Don't miss out on moments like these. Subscribe now. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and share your thoughts in the comments. Check out the videos on the side for more, or dive into the playlist to watch them all.